get paid for it, you ain't get paid for it.
Oh yeah, you already know, man. At the West Coast, stay with motherfucking Yoda, man. Yeah, sit out the bus top. I'm a motherfucking done, you heard? None of these capping ass rappers can fuck with these, man, for real. Hey, still real at the Apex world, man. Hey. It's a different concept. I had a dream, then I manifested as I promote my project that's based on a real nigga subject. Now I'm the most wanted, a complete threat to the media. Psychedelic motherfucker, it's easier. So motherfuck the government, I still writing impeccable scriptures to elevate my game plan. Surrounded by these materialistic witches, but I'm focused, man. I paint my picture vivid cause I'm devoted. So indoctrinated, but I never listen to my school teachers. Wish with a melanin, they criticize Yodi, but now they begging for features. Nigga, my heart is cold as the freezer. I got your life support with a Caesar. Keep your love and give me loyalty, but don't act like I need you. Money to make you rich, but it decorates the picture. Trust in my instincts and I don't gotta procrastinate. I follow them with honesty. No part of fake shit, I been about this shit. Self-righteous, laborious, loose cannon. Spacing the fuck out like a racket. Jump up on any beat and leave it pregnant. Check my catalog, I make it happen. And I don't gotta take breaks, I'd rather break the records. Got my heart and my soul in this motherfucker, I can't take it for granted. So don't get it fucked up, motherfucker, I'm not from this planet. Out in the jungle making moves, top notch, I'm the vital prospect. I'm a shark in the water, with the ink in my physique, aggravating hard in the belly of the beast. This is unconditional, and that's the matter of the fact. Your system is delusional, and you're blinding over that. I couldn't associate with this IQ and my tremendous mindset. Niggas selling their soul like it's a trend, but I couldn't be part of that. The world is under the heavy attack, so wake the fuck up before we get slayed and fuck with this real niggas concept.
And the motherfucker 10, nigga, that's your problem, you can't count.
Hey.
Your ass need to be in school.
Nigga, it's Sunday.
Sunday school, Monday school, nigga, go to school. You and your little nasty ass sister need Jesus.
Hey man, fuck you, bro.
Yeah, nigga, fuck you.
Old ass nigga.
Aight. I'll let you get this if you let me smoke you out. Aight.
Hey, they go rat suit beating ass Dutch, man. He is the worst drug dealer ever.
How the hell he selling all that goddamn dope, but ain't making no money?
Shut up, Goose. At least you got a goddamn job.
Rapping is my job. Big head ain't little boy.
Yeah, if you get paid for it, you ain't get paid for it.
Man, you know I get paid from robbing. You know what's
He
that?
can rap a damn job.
For real, for real. Broke ass shit. This nigga steady, bro. But he wrong one motherfucker.
What you mean? You rob now. You do rob.
No, the old ass lady.
I don't give a damn. And I took a handicap sticker. DIPL1. Check this out. Look at that nigga son ass, man.